Alright, burger lovers, get ready to elevate your game. Today we're making the legendary in and out sauce from scratch, and we're putting it on a juicy cheeseburger with grilled onions and grilled mushrooms, and it was just delicious. The secret to this iconic sauce, it all starts with grilled onions. That's that smoky sweetness in the foundation of this sauce. To get the onions just right, you want to cook them on a lower heat just so that they don't burn. Because if they burn, you're going to get a bitter taste to the sauce. You want them golden brown but not burnt. Onions are starting to release their sweetness and it's making my kitchen smell incredible. We're going to be building on the onion foundation with ketchup, mustard, mayo, a little tang from pickle juice, and instead of relish, because I was all out, you can use pickle juice, some pickles, and parsley. If you have relish, just use the pickle juice. To be honest, I prefer the parsley. It gives it a fresh taste, but both ways taste very similar to the iconic In-N-Out burger sauce. For the full spice blend, I'm going to have the recipe in the description below. Also, if you're liking these videos, please subscribe, comment, like the video. It really helps me a lot. Some sugar adds a bit of depth to the sweetness. This sauce is all about balance. We've got the salty kick from the pickle juice, the sweetness from the caramelized onions, and a touch of sugar, a creamy base with the mayo, and just a hint of heat from cayenne pepper. It's tangy, it's savory, it's the perfect complement to any burger. Now let's move on to the burger itself. We're using a high quality 80-20 ground beef. That means it's 80% lean, 20% fat, which is the perfect ratio for a juicy, flavorful burger. We're keeping the seasoning simple, just a generous sprinkle of salt, pepper, and a touch of garlic powder. Let's not overpower the flavor of that amazing sauce we've just made. Let's grill up some toppings. I love the classic combo of grilled onions and grilled mushrooms. Make sure to slice them nice and thin and throw them on the grill. I'm using a stovetop griddle. I think it works great. It's just a little messy and hard to clean, but the flavor comes out really good. We're gonna grill these until they're nicely caramelized, sweet, and golden. The griddle is really hot, so I'm using beef tallow, which has a very high smoke point. So you can see that the griddle itself is smoking, but the actual grease is not smoking. The only little boo-boo I did was I overburnt the buns and I didn't have any more buns to do them over again. But if you ever go to In-N-Out Burger, they always burn the buns. And it really just keeps the buns from getting soggy, but I would obviously not grill them this long if I could go back in time and re-grill them, or if I had a spare burger bun. And there it is. The burger is complete. Let's give it a try, and I know it was delicious. Perfectly rare inside. I like it really rare, but it was ground beef purchased from the supermarket, so I gotta keep it safe. But the sauce was delicious, excellent, and the burger was fantastic. Recommend you try this sauce at home. Came out really good, and I know you're gonna love it. I hope this video was helpful and enjoyable. Please comment, like, and most importantly, subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers as fast as possible. Thank you.